Okay, good morning. Okay, let us learn about the application of laws of indices. So when we say application of laws of indices, it means we are going to find the value of an unknown using the what? The 6 laws, isn't it? The first law was what? Multiplication law, whereby when the bases are the same, you add the powers, isn't it? That one is when you multiply. Then the second law was what? The division law. When we divide, the powers, or not the powers, the base. When the bases are the same, but when you are dividing, when the bases are the same, you do what? You subtract what? The powers, isn't it? Then the next law was what? The bracket law, whereby you multiply the powers. Then we had the fourth law was what? Zero index or indices, whereby any number raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. Then we also had what? The negative indices. For example, if we are having the negative index, for example, 1 over a power n, this one we find the reciprocal. Are we together? After getting the reciprocal, which is going to be a. Now, hapa ndio tuongeza nini? Pa negative n. Ndio maana inaitwa negative indices. Then the last one is what? Fractional indices, whereby you find the factors of a number and you multiply that factors, the power of it with what? The power of the indices. Are we together? Hiyo ni inaitwa nini? Fractional indices. Now, we are having here an example. They are saying solve for the unknown in the following. 5 to the power of 2x times 5x is equal to 125. Siniva? What do? We find the factors of 125 to which base? To the base of 5. Siniva? So this is what we do. 125. 5 goes there how many times? 25. Again 5. 5. Lastly 5. 1. So 125 is the same as what? 5 power 3. Siniva? So where there is 125, tuna substitute na nini? 5 power 3. Are we together? So 5 2x times 5 power x is equal to 5 power 3. Sniva. So what do? Come in. Yeah. 5 power 2x times 5 power x is equal to what? 5 power 3, isn't it? Now, the bases are the same, isn't it? And on the left hand side, we use which law? The first law, which is multiplication. Whereby when the bases are the same and you are multiplying, you add the powers. Siniva? So this one is going to be 5 2x plus x is equal to 5 power 3. Are we together? Now the next step, we add the powers. 2x plus x, 3x is equal to 5 power 3. The next step, what do? If the bases are the same, we drop them. Are we together? It's just by we are just saying 5 divided by 5. Sawa. So you remain with what? 3x is equal to 3. But our interest is to get the value of what? The unknown. Our unknown is what? X. So you divide by 3 on both sides. So the value of x is what? 1. Are we together? Example 2. Example 2. 3 power 3 plus x divided by 27x plus 1 is equal to 9. The second example, 3 to the power of what? 3 plus x divided by 27 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 9. Sinipo? What do we consider? We consider the bases, isn't it? This one is 3, 27, and 9. Both of them, we convert them into what? To the base of 3. Sinipo? Tunaelewana? Sasa tutaanza na 27 by 3. It goes there how many times? 9. Again 3, 3, 3, 1. So for 27 is the same as what? 3 power 3. Sinipo? Now for the case of 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So 9 can be what? 3 power 2. Sinipo? So where there is 27, tuna substitute na nini? 3 power 3. And where there is 9, we substitute what? 3 power 2. Sawa? So it's going to be 3 into 3 plus x divided by 3 power 3 is equal to 3 power 2. Sawa? Now, on the left hand side, we are dividing. The bases are the same. What do? We subtract the powers. So itakuwa ni 3 into 3 plus x minus what? We had omitted this one. 3 into x plus 1. So before we reach there, let us expand this one. For us to expand here, we just multiply. Are we together? 3 into 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 1, 3. Is equal to 3 power 2. Now reaching at this point, the bases are the same. We subtract the powers. We subtract what? The powers. So it's going to be base of 3, 3 plus x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. Reaching at this point, what do? We collect the like terms. Sinipo? So that is going to be 3 into x minus 3x plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2. X minus 2x. X minus 3x. Negative. So this one will be 3 negative 2x plus 6 is equal to 3 power 2. Sawa? Now, the bases are the same. We drop the bases. We deal with what? The powers. So we are having negative 2x plus 6 is equal to 2. We collect the like terms, isn't it? 6 is on the left hand side is what? The positive. When it moves to the right hand side inakuwa negative. So kutabaki na negative 2x is equal to 2 minus 6. Sawa? So this one remain negative 2x is equal to negative 8. Now what do? We divide by negative 2 across. First of all, negatives cancel. 2 and 2 cancel. 2 here 1, here 4. So the value of x is 4. Are we together? Asha, can you come and solve for us this one? Duster? Can you keep quiet and look at the board as she solves the third equation? Songa kando ionekane. Okay, good. So maybe I can just explain. Now we are having 3 to the power of what? 2y divided by 3 to the power of y is equal to 81. So you are supposed to find the factors of 81. And make sure the base is what? The base of 3. Tunaelewana? So this is how she has done it. But after the factors of 81. So 3 goes there how many times? 27. I may exhaust up to the last part, whereby 81 is the same as what? 3 power 4. So she has substituted where there is 81 with the 3 power 4. Are we together? Now the next step, the bases on the left hand side, the bases are the same and you are dividing. If the bases are the same and you are dividing, you subtract the powers. That's why she has taken 2y minus y. Sawa. Reaching at this point, you drop the bases. You deal only with the powers. So that is why it is 2y minus y is equal to 4. So when you subtract 2y minus y, you remain with y. So y is equal to 4.